Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 4 to the power of 11 minus 2. Now, 4 is a perfect square. I can express it as 2 to the power of 2. And this is to the power of 11, then I have minus 2. Now, if you have a to the power of n, and this is to the power of m, this equals a power n times n. Applying this right here, I will have 2 power 2 times 11. That is 22 minus 2. And finding the value of 2 power 22, what I can do will be I can express this as we have 2 power, this is 11 times 2. 11 times 2 is 22. So we have minus 2. Now, if you have a power n times n equals a power n to the power of n. Applying that here, I'll have 2 power 11 to the power of 2 times 2. Right? So what then is the value of 2 power 11? Now, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. This is quite very simple. That is 16 times 2. And from here, 2 to the power of 10 will be 32 times 32 because that will be 2 to the power of 5 or power 2. This will give you 2 to the power of 10. So this means 2 to the power of 5 power 2 means 2 to the power of 10 is 32 times 32. So 32 times 32 will give you 1024. You can multiply up 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9. So once you add up this, it is 4, 12, 2, whatever. This is 1024. Meaning that 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. Then 2 to the power of 11 will be 1024 times 2, which is just like having 2 to the power of 10 times 2. So 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2. So this is 2 to the power of 11, which is 2048. So we come back here. So this equals 2 power 11 is 2048. And this is raised to the power of 2 times 2. So what is the value of 2048 power 2? I can express this as, this is just like writing 2000 plus 48. That's 2048 raised to the power of 2 times 2. To expand this, I consider this identity a plus b raised to the power of 2 equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. And 2000 is my a, and b is 48. So that means I will simply have a squared plus 2000 squared plus b squared, that is 48 squared, plus 2 times 1000 times 48. And from here, 2 squared is 4, 1000 squared is, that is what? 1 million. So we have 4 million. 48 squared, that's 48 times 48. We need to find out that. Plus 2 times 1000, that is 2000, 2 times 48. That will give you 96,000, right? 2 times 48 is 96, so that's 96,000. Let's multiply 48 times 48. 8 times 8, that is 64, 4 over 6. 8 times 4, that is 32, plus 6, 38. 4 times 8, 32 to carry over 3. 4 times 4, 16 plus 3, 19. So this is 4, this is 10, 0 carry over 1. Add here 4 plus 3. That will give you 13. 3 carry over 1. Add here 2304. So what you are adding up is 4 million plus 2304 plus 96,000. You need to add up this together to get the final answer for 4 power 11 minus 2. So this is 4 million. Then consider 96,000. Then consider 2,304. So we add up together. This is 4. This is 0. This is 3. This is 8. This is 9. This is 0. This is 4. So this becomes our answer for 4 power 11 minus 2 is 4,983,000. 4,098,304. 4,098,304. And this is just like halving. Remember, 4 is your first square, which is 2 power 2. Then if you multiply this, you have 2 power 22 minus 2. So 2 power 22 minus 2 will also give you 4,098,304. So here is it, guys, without the use of calculator. And I believe you have enjoyed every step of this video, how we actually manipulate all these values. And I know you are going to subscribe and share this video. Kindly do that. It's going to motivate me to keep on uploading many other videos. Thank you and goodbye.